Hi everyone. Today I'm going to review the iBUYPOWER Scale Pre-Built Gaming Desktop PC. This rig is designed to deliver impressive performance and enhance your gaming experience. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this gaming PC for yourself and snag it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. I am going to review the iBUYPOWER Scale Gaming PC Desktop SCA7N46T02. If you're on the hunt for a new gaming rig that offers exceptional power, stunning visuals, and a sleek design, you'll want to stick around for this one. Let's break down why this gaming PC might just be the upgrade you've been looking for. Let's start with the heart of this beast, the AMD Ryzen 7 5700 processor. With a base speed of 3.7 GHz, this CPU delivers impressive performance for both gaming and multitasking. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or juggling multiple applications, the Ryzen 7 ensures smooth and responsive gameplay. Next up, we have the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 Ti 8GB graphics card. This GPU is a powerhouse designed to handle high-resolution gaming and intensive graphics tasks. It supports ray tracing and DLSS, meaning you'll get stunning visuals and increased frame rates in your favorite games. The iBUYPOWER CA7N46T02 doesn't stop there. It's equipped with 16GB of DDR4 RGB RAM. This generous amount of memory ensures that you can run multiple applications simultaneously without any hiccups. And with the 1TB NVMe SSD, you get lightning-fast boot times and ample space to store your games, media, and projects. Now, let's talk about aesthetics. The SCA7N46T02 comes housed in a striking black chassis with RGB lighting. The tempered glass side panel lets you showcase the stunning internal components, and the customizable RGB lighting adds a touch of personalization to your setup. The system is Wi-Fi ready and comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home Advanced, so you can get started right out of the box. Plus, it includes a gaming keyboard and an RGB gaming mouse, both excellent additions to enhance your gaming experience. One of the standout features of this PC is its cooling system. With a tower air fan and additional RGB fans, this PC stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. This means you can push your system to the limit without worrying about overheating or excessive noise. However, no product is perfect. One potential drawback to consider is the weight of the unit. It's quite hefty at 38 pounds. If you're planning on moving it frequently, this might be something to keep in mind. In summary, the iBUYPOWER Scale Gaming PC Desktop SCA7N46T02 is a formidable choice for gamers and content creators alike. With its powerful AMD Ryzen 7 processor, NVIDIA RTX 4060 Ti graphics, ample memory, and fast storage, it's designed to handle today's demanding tasks with ease. The striking design and included peripherals only sweeten the deal. If you're ready to elevate your gaming and productivity setup, this PC might just be the perfect fit. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details and to grab your own. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.